Jamaican girls cannot whine without
Instructions.
I don't know Rasta. So 2013 has launched a new breed of girls that are unable to dance unless they are instructed. It is imperative that you must give a command in a song or else they won't comprehend what they should do.
When you do with a load, you know, girl. Stand up one spot and just make your body jiggle. Drop, 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 drop. Left, right, left. Then down so and touch toe.
So the main culprits of this whole dancehall instructional thing is RDX. So the first song we're gonna inspect today is Catch. I can just picture a girl at a dance. She just stay there and she hear the music playing and she wonder what the hell to do with this thing. What do you do? Okay, so I'm gonna catch here. Oh no. Oh, so I'm gonna catch. Oh my god. Oh, tick. So, oh gosh, I can't tick. Oh, you talk so, you said so. Oh my god, I can't. Oh god, this is just so confusing. Wine, make me see you. No. Wine, girl. Wine. This continue for like half an hour. Tick so, hack so, set so, shit back so. Give me the east, west, north, south. All of this and just one song me I talk about. I'm not even gonna address the song when you jump.
Jump.
Right about now, I just convinced that RDX is just conditioning you ladies to be submissive. RDX if I really nothing for really bother you. But just beg you for the squeeze one little one line. Just say, you know, ladies run go home on a Sunday and cook bird and carry come game. But just feel so RDX just smart. Then figure out an indirect way to tell the ladies to lose weight. Because all of them songs are played come like one big aerobic session. Alright, from the top girls, and jump. Jump, make your body jump, jump grapevine, woo, woo. Now broad out, bend down and touch toe. Yes, like you are F Pro, woo. Gone are the days where I feel look girls like, psst, sexy. Come give me a thought now. Thanks to RDX, all you have to do nowadays is just say, turn around. Next RDX song, broad out. Now the song that even start 5 seconds good yet and the first thing them do is offer out a command. Bend over and touch toe. Set like you are F Pro. Stand up and sink in your back. Doggy style with your foot on the block. Very profound words. Next artist we move to now is Conscience. So a few months ago before the man start make shoes and all of these things, in there one song named Walk and Wine. Now pre-O Conscience smart. Before him order the girls them to do what exactly he want them to do, him start feed them with a compliment before. Compliment 1. Girl, you're too hot for stand up in a one spot. So right about now the girl I get frightened for your little compliment and she's probably like, oh my god, I'm really too hot. I'm move from over here to over here. So Instruction 1. Walk out and make me see your body. When your favorite song drop, broke out because you don't cater for nobody. Now hear the one ya. You no own no girl and you no have no girl clothes. Everyone who know dancehall knows that is the easiest way to make a skittle rush out. By now with all them compliment here, the girl them don't get hypnotized, them don't get sensitized, them don't get de-chacalized into theme thing. So right about now, they are basically his robots. So here what the youth do know. In turn them in the cadet. And RDX and Conscience alone responsible for girls not being able to whine without instructions. You have people like the Marco with a song called Continue Wine. I did down ya with
Tan toddy, you could girl, tan toddy pan dirty berry.
No, right about now, me have to rate Spice because Spice pre the thing I realized that the girls them not dance unless you tell them what to do. So Spice running on the whole thing and she come with a song named Twerk. After every instruction that Spice lay down, she follow it up with something motivational. So she's like,
hey, split panic one gal galang pad. Split panic one gal galang pad. Do the 630 gal do it.
Split on the floor and galang bad. Do the 630. Then she follow up. You can do it. You can do it. So it's like she becomes your own personal cheerleader.
So that is it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry show. Make sure that you like, you comment, and you share. And for those of you who have not done so as yet, make sure that you subscribe. Big up to everybody on the Dirty Berry fan page on Facebook, and to all the people who continue to support and actually share my vids, because that is important. Much love, and I pray that you continue to have a blessed day, more life, more prosperity. Until next time.